When it comes to the real truth about making money online, I think there's two key things that people don't emphasize enough. One is kind of more obvious than the other. Now, obviously, there's the reality that is hard as like, period. But the other reality is that there's a bit of luck to it. Now, let's not get it twisted. I'm not talking about the mystical, magical form of luck. And I'm gonna give you guys clear examples. There's probably a better word out there to be used. And honestly, if you have that word after hearing exactly what I'm speaking about and you have a better word for me to use, please hit the comment section down below and give me that word. Shout out to the person who gives me like the word. But until then, I'm calling it luck. Let me explain. Take dropshipping for instance. A lot of people love the idea and see the structure of dropshipping as appealing because who wouldn't want to have a product that they didn't have to design, that they don't have to stock, but they can sell and make the money from? And they don't have to ship it. Like, that's a dream hookup. You mean to tell me all I gotta do is build this website, put together this store, and create targeted ads and just collect the check in the bag? Nah. It's crazy because it's like, how do you know that said products or products that you're choosing are gonna actually work? You're gonna put in all this work, you're gonna build this store, you're gonna build this platform, you're gonna pay for these targeted ads, and there's no guarantee. And I wholeheartedly believe that a lot of these course sellers or gurus in these spaces won't tell you that they got lucky. They just probably hit a product after having so many that failed, and it just luckily took off. They got the numbers and the stats to be able to sell you the course and run up the YouTube views. Now, listen, I'm not hating. Let's be real, because the next topic I'm gonna talk about pertains to me and something that I've done to make money online. But here's the reality. Like, you're gonna try and you're gonna do all these different things and you're gonna probably pick certain products and so forth, but there's no guarantee that that product is gonna work. And when it happens and it does work, 9 times out of 10, it's like that luck factor. Like, it's like that, how did you know for sure? Did you really know for sure that it was gonna work? Or did it just kind of happen that way? Let me get into my next example. Take YouTube, for instance. Now, who wouldn't want to make lots of money online dropping YouTube videos? I mean, I want to, without a doubt. And, well, the truth is, what probably most YouTube creators will not tell you, but I'll tell you because I'm a YouTube creator, is probably like 8 times out of 10, when they have that video that just goes viral or has a, semi-viral appeal and gains traction, and then they have something to build upon and grow with, a lot of times most YouTube creators don't know why YouTube picked that video. Like, I have videos that do it and I don't even know exactly why. Now, there are tools and techniques and ideologies as to how you can kind of either like build that or reverse engineer the video that worked and kind of like repeat it and so forth. And there are tricks of the trade, like 100,000%, that I use all the time to actually work on YouTube to give me success consistently. But I'm gonna be real, yo. A lot of times, like, I'm doing those things and sometimes it doesn't work and then sometimes it does. So it's like, did I really know what made that YouTube video do well, go semi-viral, or gain traction? Do any creators really know? It's just a question I'm asking, because here's the reality. When it comes to being successful and making money online, number one, it's hard. And you might not see the ROI. I'm talking about like that tangible ROI that like makes it feel fulfilling for a while. It could never come possibly, or you could have been right around the corner from it and you quit. It's rough sometimes. And that luck can hit. And when it hits, it's beautiful, but you gotta dig through the mud. You gotta grind. You gotta go up and get up high as the clouds and be living good and come crashing down and have the mindset to get back up again. It's kind of like the ebb and flow of being an entrepreneur. It's not always sweet, but the one truth that I will give you about it is it's so sweet when it's sweet.